Burns is with me. For some reason, dressing like Urkel. I don't know. I think he fell on his head or something.
Professional.
I did say dress professional. Anyway, so we're on a quest now to find Commission Big Med, wherever they are, and try not to get run over there, Urkel. This is a good old Charlie Brown. This is one of our first videos right here. Mike Holmes. One of our sponsors. I don't know where we put our sticker at. Did we put our sticker on? I can't remember. Oh well. Alright, how you doing? Doing well. Eddie, where? Years an hour. Yeah, they come out of the driver a while ago, but I won't give no bubble gum. I got mad later. Screw 'em. Oh, I see them. Okay. I see Stu. I didn't know where they went. But they did come out of the driver. I'll be all right.
Just be being deaf.
Yeah. You selling fried chicken?
Yes, sir.
The Colonel's here. I looked over and said, damn, I need to get me A chicken. Yeah. You can get a chicken leg.
Being professional.
Huh?
I'm being professional.
I said, hey man, just professional. I said, okay. I can record this shit. You recording, right?
I got you, fam. Yeah, I am professional.
My man.
Colonel Burns in the house.
He showed up front door. I shut the door on us. No, hell no, I ain't taking him nowhere.
Chicken legs for everybody. All right, let's go find you some ear protect.
No, I'm good.
There's some rubber.
Put your hood up. Well, I mean, I am in David County. I ain't gonna work. Ain't gonna work. It's the white one today. So what is going on? I've seen Mike. I saw Randy. What's that?
Yeah, Mike has made a pass yet.
Yeah, he's up there.
Okay, so
He said he ran out of candy. Y'all got mad and left.
yeah. He was giving away something else besides bubblegum. We didn't want another part of that.
Oh, what's it giving away?
Might have been the hip. Yeah.
High five.
Yeah. But we are here Friday night at the farm with the Gear Jammers for their annual Stick Shift Nationals, the Friday night gamblers race. They're paying in to try to win a pot and pole position for the actual race tomorrow. Yeah.
Hellfire. How much it cost?
We should have brought the damn Chevelle up here.
You got the Toyota with you, right?
No, I got the Subaru.
Oh, even better.
Even better.
Even better.
Oh, here we go, boys.
Let's get ready to rumble.
Get you some used tire rubber in your ear.
It ain't like you ain't never had rubber.
Yeah, rubber in your ear.
Right.
I like raw dogging.
In the ear?
Yeah. Yeah. You don't?
As you always say, get in what you fit in.
For the first round, and also our dance for cash. So once again, if
you've got an odd number. Last digit of your card number starts with a 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. We'll take you to lanes 5 and 6. 5 and 6 start them out. This is dance for cash, odd number only. Odd number only. Ram clutches. Transportation. Dash for cash.
Oh, got some tough luck for our buddy today.